Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about pass and phase. What is the difference between pass and what is the difference between phase? And how your phases are divided into analysis two parts like analysis and synthesis. So here we have a single pass compiler and a multi-pass compiler. So first, what is a pass? What is the difference between pass and phase? So as we already discussed that phases, we know that we have lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, intermediate code generation, code optimization, code generation. So all these are phases which we already discussed, the phases of compiler. Now one complete pass equal to all six phases. One complete pass equal to all six phases. When it completes all six phases, it completes one pass. So here we have single pass, multi pass. Single pass means when all the phases are completed, we call it as a one phase, like one phase. So multi pass is divided into two parts. Part 1, part 2. So part 1 is called analysis. Part 2 is called synthesis. So part 1 is called analysis, part 2 is called synthesis. Now we'll see what is analysis and what is synthesis. So analysis part contains the first three phases: lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis. Analysis phase contains three phases, lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis. Now synthesis phase contains code optimization and code generation. So next is code generation. So synthesis phase contains code optimization and code generation. Now this is also called as front end and back end of a compiler. Front end and back end of a compiler. So this is front end, this is back end, this is front end, this is back end of a compiler. So here we will provide the source input. Source input is given as input to it, and what output we get here? Target output. So this target output is nothing but machine understandable format. So what is source input here? Here we will give HLL, that is high level language, and what we get? MLL, machine level language, that is machine understandable format. This front end is nothing but analysis part. This contains lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis. This front end contains lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis. This back end contains the last two: code optimization, code generation. So between this front end and back end, we have intermediate code generation. So this is intermediate code generation. So this is called front end and back end of a compiler. In various universities, they're asking question like this. Explain briefly about the analysis and synthesis phases or front end and back end of a compiler. Okay. So this is all we want to discuss today. What is pass and what are phases? What are different types of passes? What is analysis and synthesis part? And what is front end and back end of a compiler? So in our next class, we'll discuss what are the different types of compilers. Okay, and we'll discuss various types of compilers as well as different cousins of compilers. So I hope you understand today's topic. If you are the first viewing our channel, I request you to please subscribe our channel and please share our videos to your friends and well-wishers, and please support our channel in all possible ways. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.